Lithium-ion batteries are in so many things around us right now, from cell phones to electronic toothbrushes to e-scooters and electric vehicles. And while they're crucial for everyday life, they can pose a great danger when they've been damaged in disasters. Maribel Gonzalez gives us a first-hand look at the EPA's battery cleanup efforts after the wildfires in California.
In California, the Palisades and Eaton fires burnt thousands of buildings to the ground and charred electric cars to their frames, leaving behind a trail of hazardous waste like lithium-ion batteries at a scale the EPA has never seen before.
We're expecting to have upwards of 500 tons of lithium-ion batteries.
Is that the most you've ever seen in any sort of disaster?
Correct.
The EPA now on a mission to dispose of these damaged batteries safely, as they can reignite weeks after the fires that heated them are contained.
That instability is still there, and they won't give an indication of when they're going to fail.
After collecting the batteries, EPA technicians bring them to one of two Southern California staging areas. First, soaking them for days in tanks filled with brine solution to de-energize them.
It's a concoction of sodium chloride and sodium bicarbonate.
Larger battery packs are then torn apart, hundreds of jam-packed individual batteries released.
They're going to be the ones that might end up emitting toxic gases or metals.
They're scattered, crushed, and scooped.
That final product is now no longer considered a battery.
This novel process, first developed during the 2023 wildfires in Hawaii and then refined during the 2025 California ones, now critical to the EPA's response to future disasters.
We had floods or hurricanes on the East Coast, our fires out here, or whatever else may be there. This will be a part of the waste streams.
I'm Maribel Gonzalez reporting.
The former Los Angeles Fire Department chief will not be getting her job back. Last month, Mayor Karen Bass removed Chief Kristen Crowley after criticism about the way she responded to the deadly wildfires in January. On Tuesday, the city council voted against reinstating her. Crowley faced backlash for the way she handled the Palisades fire. 12 people died. It burned nearly 24,000 acres. The mayor cited two main reasons for firing her. Firefighters were off duty when the fire started, and Crowley did not cooperate with part of the investigation. Crowley denies both claims.